Molly's first bath. Yikes. And she's okay. She's okay with it.
It's okay, Molly. Let's go. Let's get you wet here. Oh, Molly, you're gonna keep on trying to jump out, huh? It's okay. Come on, Molly. It's okay.
You want to use the pail?
Yeah, where's the pail?
Behind you.
Oh, Molly. This is why I put my shorts on, huh, Molly? Let's go. Let's get back in. Come on. She's got the death grip down. Come on.
Here's the shampoo.
Do I need to put gloves on or what?
No?
What's it say? Massage her body with it?
Yeah. Lather. She's doing pretty well. Don't forget the butthole.
You gotta get the butthole.
No.
Yeah.
That's your job.
You.
Who did that?
She did.
She farted.
She didn't fart. She was making a little noise.
Oh. Ooh, Molly. And a little rub down.